Rivers are the veins of the world. For the earth to remain healthy, they must run free. While 1.5 billion people lack access to clean water, Brazil is home to 2 of the world's largest aquifers and to the Amazon basin, which is responsible for over 20% of the world's fresh water supply. Right now, a fierce clash of interests is endangering the preservation of Brazilian rivers. It is a battle that involves indigenous peoples and the federal government. The Amazon basin currently has 140 dams, and another 428 are on the way. The Tapajós River is the last major tributary in the Amazon to run free. The Brazilian government intends to build 43 hydroelectric power plants throughout its basin. More than 890,000 individuals will be directly impacted, including the Nambiquara, Enauenenauê, Manoque, Niki, Ricbaxá, Bacairi, Quaiabi, Apiacá, Munduruku, and Pareci peoples. Indigenous peoples have a sacred relationship with rivers, and this is something we must reflect on. It is also worth remembering that water makes up over 70% of our bodies and covers 2/3 of our planet. Our lives and our very existence depend on water. Water is the source and the way of life. To What End is a series of short videos created to recapture a sacred view of nature through the eyes of the people who inhabit the Tapajós Basin. The goal of the series is to foster reflection on the true objectives of pursuing an energy policy based on damming Brazilian rivers.